Association. What's wrong with it?
All right, y'all. We here at Pilot. About maybe I've been driving 100 miles now, loaded. So now I'm doing a check right now on it. And since we at the light and it's not raining, I'm gonna just give y'all a little walk around. Y'all go check out Tony Rent too, man. If y'all need a hitch, he's based in Florida. Off of West Okeechobee Road. He only charged me $150 to rent it out for 24 hours. So when you go to him, usually they gonna load it onto your truck with a forklift. They gonna hook it up. You put the chain through. You wanna make sure that it's locked in to right here. You wanna come underneath the frame, and you wanna lock on to this frame right here. Once you lock on in there, you wanna get your binder.
Look.
They gonna give you all the tools that's required. When they give you this binder, you want to attach it to the top of the crane, and you want to attach it to the bottom of your chain. But when you attach it to the bottom of the chain, make sure you pull all the tension out from the bottom. It's okay to have slack right here. This is okay to have slack, but this must be tight around the frame. And you repeat the same.
Would you please shut the fuck up before you have a seizure?
The same thing that I explained on the driver's side, on the passenger side. Same thing, step by step. Next, you want to put in your electrical wires, zip tie, the emergency and service line. That's what I like to do to keep it out the way from dragging or getting ripped. My brother is actually on the other phone. I ain't gonna say his name, but he messed up his. I learned from him to keep mine off the ground. You know, all this, they should take care of all this for you, but if they don't, you want to make sure that these two bolts is sliding all the way to underneath the frame. You have a frame that's underneath the bottom. You want to make sure that this bolt and a washer that's underneath is connected to that. That is going to connect you to your truck. Now, once you connect it to your truck and you get to the truck that you're towing, like I explained to y'all earlier, I messed up. I dropped a video for y'all so y'all can learn from my mistakes, man. I ask y'all to do one thing, man. Hit that like and subscribe, man.
I want to reach 1 million. So please, sarapakara.
And it's free. I'm not asking for none of y'all money, bro. We back to the overview. I drove about 100 miles, so I'm just over-checking all my chains and tension. Excuse my background, man. I'm in Miami, Florida, Fast and Furious out here. So I'm just checking the tension. Over-check it. You want to make sure that both of your hooks is hooked into the chains. You want to still make sure that your chain is between the axle and the brake bar. Just check your air lines. Make sure it's not damaging the airbag. Make sure it's not hitting any sensors or anything. You want to make sure that you don't have no slack anywhere. Because if you got slack somewhere, that means either a link broke or something slipped loose and you want to drop it and fix it. It's okay to have slack right here because this is only my safety net. You definitely want to check this bar. Make sure this bar is still in play. And, a good walk around can save you your whole life, man. So just walk around, brother. Checking my lights. Excuse me. Even though they're a little bit dim. Okay. We got a little shortage. We got a little wire shortage. That's why you want to do your checks. That's why you want to walk around. You know, please make sure y'all do y'all checks. Even if y'all not towing the vehicle so many miles, man, make sure y'all do y'all checks. So y'all good to go. Everything looks straight. I really hope this video was helpful to y'all, man. If y'all like this video and if you found it useful, knowledgeable, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, man. Any comments y'all got, leave it in a DM, bro. I'm not Hollywood. Hit me, bro. I respond. My Instagram is Road Runner Association. Man, you know, I do this for us, man. You know what I'm saying? Once again, man, it's Road Runner Association.